Gabian Youngster, emsakazweni wakho ongunqa phambili Gabian Youngster uyoungster
angibingelele bonke abalaleli bomsakazi empela ngilalele kuwe bhuti wami. Yes, no, I'm grand my brother. Gabriel Youngster kwabona sebamkhohlo. So yeah, we here. I'm not alone, but lana nginalezi intokazi. I'm a Mindolls in the building.
Hey.
Unyamalala ubuso buya labantu besifazane.
Ngingozi kabi. I want to.
Yeah. Alright, by the way, where have you been all along?
First, yeah, bengikhona around usivele bengicashile under carpet ngiphusha ispani and ingakho njengamanje ngizolethela umsebenzi omuhle kangaka engibelieve ukuthi naba wonke umuntu ozolalela namhlanje ozothokozela umsebenzi. And yeah, angihambi ngedwa with ama Mindolls bekade sithi ngithi ngisathule.
Mindolls awuthi ngisukume khona ngizobabona. Somathi sifishane. Khona sokuthi ngizokwazi ukuthi ngibabone. Ahlalo Mindolls.
Hey.
Unzusa uba uvusa omunye ukuthi uba uthola omunye between you and Gabian.
Khulumani.
Ubani uthola omunye? Ubani wathola omunye?
Ngitholweni nje.
Ngitholweni kanjani?
Itholweni nje.
So yeah, ama Mindolls ngokuhlukana kwabo, we have Usamir abantu abaningi bamazi as uDoll, waye rapper back then. Was wakhipha nengoma with uProverb. And then we have on the other side uMindok abamazi as imodel yabo and MC. So bahlangana bobo two bahlangana bayenze group ithiwa ama Mindolls ba MC badance benza ama challenges la we are online waba ama influencers. Then lesikhathi kuthi lockdown first time, then ba decide usazini sifuna ukufunda ukDJ ngabathatha sagijima nabo ku lockdown bafunda ukDJ and namhlanje they one of the biggest female duo DJs la in Durban.
Wait, akubona labo uhamba nabo phela ngokubabona befaka ingubo lapha bayasaba lesiminofu ne
injalo impela
khona ingubo abayigqokile esasihle kanjani usobona into lezangu khona ingubo abayifakile befanisene
yebo impela. So ibona, so that's the brand of Mindolls. And then obviously abangasakhumbula Gabriel, a producer, dance choreographer, DJ. As now we have Mindolls as DJs, now we're combining ourselves to become SMG. Ingakusindethela lo msebenzi omuhle esithi asina mali featuring Black Pearls from Cape Town. So yeah.
Sazokhuluma futhi sithola ukuthi ke uhlala kanjani naye lo muntu wase Cape Town eKapa. And also Mindolls ngifuna sikhulume kakhulu ngegenuine ku music njengabantu besifazane ne.
Okay.
Yeah. Naze nalo.
Silukile vele nje seswethu.
Alright ke Serena asinamali by Gabian Youngster with Mindolls emsazweni ke 94.7 20 minutes before 3 ngamashumi ngamabili imzuzu ngaphambi kokuba libumbane elesithi athi hora kokona umsakazi wakho ngunqa phambili with your boy Buyani Khula sibahle sonke sibonga amasikani mfana
kanti ukhula ni
unalivai ungeka phala selali wane browse on flick nalengoma ilalis qase shota nemali sithanda ukuhlala separi ubame
Indovo zawagcina ngabe and I think last time spawn na message pushing those I think besi lapha kule vendela evani what's ma
hey when you not part
this book
record. Super record. Akekho ngagijima ngevesi lamadoda, akekho ngagijima ngevesi lamadoda, akekho ngagijima ngevesi.
Hayi bo.
Asinamali.
Yokuthenga.
Yes, ikhethe radio Southern Vibe 94.7. Ingoma imnandi ke ngalendlela ke Simanga, ingoma ke ka Coupling Youngster with Mindos.
Mindles.
Mindos.
Yes.
Ama Mindos, yes.
What are the name? Lisho kuthiko.
Igama lami nguMindoka. Ehlangene noSamira. Ngithi wayi-rapper before, uDoll.
Yeah.
So sahlanganisa from there.
Yeah, my artist nokuba creative.
Yes, creative.
Yeah, yeah.
So ahlanganisa igama lami
Yeah.
Ndol.
Yeah.
It's not Doll with double Z.
Futhi mase nenza lento enziwa ama artists yokuhlukana nekwenza kanjani?
So hlukana phela.
Kodwa kuyona into okufanele ngiyibeke emqondweni leyo. I don't like it. Yazi nisibhora kanjani thina mase senihlukene. Sesilokhu sichaza njengama ayilona wayecula It's boring bafowethu. Yabo. I will not lie.
Yeah, qiniso le.
I don't like it, man. Nisebenza nentokazi le right yase Cape Town.
Yes. So ama Black Pearls kahle kahle bayi group nabo ne. It's a group under abakhuluma Elvis Studios in Cape Town. So njengamanje bawu4 but division of a group obviously to make sure that the group always grows. So kahle kahle they more of like a choir, a group, yabo. So yes, that's how we found them. Actually I found through and Elvis mnikazi wabo. So ngoba ngabona italent then nga-approach ama Mindols ngas Mindols na abantu engifisa ngathi singasebenza nabahlalwa ngoba bachoose ke laba bawuthanda umsebenzi wabo but okay let's just check usikahle kahle kanjani
Legend.
yabo ba-check special abantu besifazane we must not drop equality so
Yeah.
no bavele basi no hayi ba right then let's see singasebenza kanjani. So we back and forth Cape Town and Durban coming together. We have this project called Asinamali.
Yeah, let's talk about the journey. DJ yoba ngisho ukuthi khona la nganibona khona impela nidlala.
Well, we started in 2020 nje but the social Gabriel Youngster it was during the lockdown.
Abantu abaningi lockdown abayifind that ukuthi usibani bala ugood ethize.
Yeah, i-lockdown nje sibonga kakhulu ukube bangakhona.
Uthini mina?
Phela abanye bethu sisizile lockdown ize kade nama ups and downs yabo abantu baluza imisebenzi and all that but abanye bethu sibenefitile out of i-lockdown bengeke mhlawumbe
ngama people
kahle kahle khona abafundile through i-lockdown. Yes, we can put it that way.
Yeah.
So mhlawumbe besingeke sibe o DJ njengoba so DJ manje because
yeah, but so far the journey has been it has been good. There are challenges obviously, but yeah, we learn to overcome them and sizama ukuthola ama strategies ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi sibone okay next time when we face this ukwenza kanjani yabo into kanjani. Yeah, but it has been a good journey so far.
Shifting from rapper to
yeah.
Yes. How did you do it?
I just discovered ukuthi as an artist phela angithi uma une skill une talent like into esuke iphakathi kwena as much as yes you need to perfect it by ukuyifunda but ugraspa nakho konke lokho into eqhamuka ngakuwena yabo. So discovering ukuthi I'm the type of person osheshayo ukubamba and stuff yabo, so like okay why don't I do something else. And then rap will see it in the long run ukuthi ihamba kanjani when mhlambe this can take me there yabo into kanjalo.
Then since nihlangane no Gabian I know legendary esidlala omkhulu umsebenzi kuma artist. I remember ngifike emsakazweni iVibe FM back then 2016 lo show wami the legendary wayekhona man. Yeah man, izame ugcina sekuhlangeneke lokho. Ile chip yenu between yena nani so far so good. Where from now?
Yeah,
festive iqalile. Qala kule weekend festive.
Tatebo.
Qala festive. Siya njengamanje noKabiyeni.
Hayi sesingezwe kuyena ke njengomanager usithini.
Bese ngibanikeza ithuba kakhulu no. Right now there is a bigger project that we're busy with. Yes, this plan to release the album before this, but bangibonisa ukuthi no azini ake sichoose one laphana sike sibone ukuthi audience ithini yabo. So right now into singasho ukuthi there's more to come. Getting limited because of music esiza now and amanye projects esiza now, and again we're not only limited to a certain genre of music because we are actually going out because we want to actually reach internationally. That's our aim. And as she was reaching international, forgetting no. That's why the album has a different type of music. And again, Gege City San release the album as Nini, but we have to actually taste the waters first. We need to go where we think because as you said, Nganami, it's been ages. We've been hustling, ages we've been back and forth. So now ushilo samira siyafunda ngama mistakes ayenzakalile yabo lezi izinto esingazange sizenze. So now we're learning to moving forward what to do, what not to do, and need to keep our ears really open because again we're not doing the things with the music for us, we're doing the music for the people. We need to listen to the people what they want. We need to give them what they want as we introducing what we want them to actually get.
Ikhona ilontshe ngoba
Ilonji Yengoma, it's pending. Yes, it's pending because we want the song firstly to get to 100k streams. As right now we're sitting on 25k streams on Spotify. It's on 1 week ipumile, yes, 1 week and a half, yes. So 25k streams on Spotify. It's really coming good. So once that's 100k, then again ilonji enkulu because we have to combine the Cape Town artist and Durban artist, and the music video is coming out too.
Masano will be the MC that day. No, guys, anything you want to say before we kick you out?
Yes, before score mhlambe stand ukuthi esibonga kuwonke umuntu owenza sure ukuthi ijourney yethu iba smoother, and then wonke umuntu osupportayo ukuthi ingoma ikwazi ukufinyelela kuzo zonke indawo, and nama red wonke asifisayo ukuthi siye kuona lawa siwacela siye kuona. And then remember to book us. We cell phone number yethu for WhatsApp or calling it 071 83 89798 071 83 89798. Noma unga email like to bookings@youngstarproduction.com, bookings@youngstarproduction.com, or just search online for Gabriel Youngstar or Mindols. And remember to get the Mahlangene City SMG. I think that will remember easily. Just search for SMG, you'll get our new online profile, and usilandele khona lapho sothola khona umyalezo ukuthi kwenzakalani nini zishaphi.
Ladies,
hey,
bye-bye.
I just want to say thank you so much for the support and everything. Support guys, download the song, do the challenge, it's very easy. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook, SMG_SA or @Mindols with LLZ.
I love the name, the way you show
Mindols.
nibe ne weekend i-weekend enkulu
i-weekend enkulu
nikuphi
kushubile
kuleka cana isibheka nje kuma social media onke nizothola ukuthi sikuphi
ngoba sebeze basixosha bo abayithole i-updates kuma social media Gabriel Youngster Mindolls si SMG sinthanda nonke
mfowethu siyabonga kakhulu ne thank you guys
Ciao.
Sobe